Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Pineapple Squad. If you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the Pineapple Squad. Hit the notification bell so you could always see when I upload new videos. I've been uploading new videos recently and YouTube has not been sending them out to everyone in their notification box bar column. But if you hit the notification bell, you will always be alerted of my new videos. And yeah, don't forget to join the Pineapple Squad. And today we're gonna review a concealer, and I have it on my face right now. Can you guys guess if I like it or not? How does it look? It looks nice, right? But yeah, this is the concealer that I'm gonna review today right here. And this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. It says you can also contour with this. It brings 0.11 fluid ounce. This is a liquid concealer. And let me just read if it says any claims. I'm just gonna put all the claims here in the screen. I'm gonna look it up at Ulta.com. That's where I purchased the concealer. And yeah, I am really excited to try this. I bought this like 3 weeks ago and haven't had the chance to review for you guys. And I know some of you wanna see it. And you guys know I love concealers, so you know. So let's get into the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go. Alright guys, so this is the concealer right here. I don't know if I bought the correct shade. I'm just gonna take it off the packaging. I did order this on Ulta.com and I went to the store and they were all out of all the shades in my Ulta store, which is literally crazy. Like all the shades were gone. They only had like the darkest shade and the lightest shade, like one of each, and that's it, which was pretty crazy. But this is how it looks like right here, the packaging. I know you guys are crazy already. You guys seen it like crazy. And this is how it looks like when you take it off. This is very familiar to the Tarte Shape Tape. You guys know that. I'm sure everybody knows that. Everybody was comparing it to the Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm not going to do that today. Show you guys how it looks in my skin tone. And the color I got was color C12. And I don't know if it has like a name or anything. It just has C12. It doesn't really have a color name like caramel, toffee. Usually concealers have like a name like that, but this one just says C12 at the bottom right there, and it's pretty much just what it is. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more so I could show you guys. So I'm just gonna apply the concealer under my eyes, and the color actually looks pretty good. I thought it was gonna be too light, to be honest, but I think it's actually a good color. Just gonna apply it like that. Oh, actually is a good color. Oh my god, it feels so good. I'm like so happy. You guys know I love finding new concealers, and this color just looks really nice. Oh, jumping! No! It feels so creamy and so good. Like I am so excited. You guys have no idea. I'm gonna blend that out with my sponge, and if you're wondering, this is the sponge from Shop Miss A, and this is my favorite sponge. It's so much better than the Beauty Blender, guys. Like I love it. Ooh, feels good. This feels good. This feels good. Are you kidding me? You guys see that? Can you guys see that? Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm done blending. Are you kidding? Oh my god, that looks so good. That looks so good. Yes, 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 yes. What? Okay, I'm in like shock right now. Cannot believe it looks this good. Is this better than my ColourPop concealer? Are you kidding me? Oh, it feels so good applying it. Feels so good. I've been literally wanting a new concealer. You guys have no idea. Like I've been wanting to find a new concealer because I don't like that my ColourPop one, I have to order it online. I just personally don't like ordering online concealers because it just comes out to like double of the price just because of the shipping, and I don't like that. Oh my god, it feels and looks so good. It looks so good, guys. All right, this hair is ruining my life. I love it. No creases, no nothing. It looks so nice. It covered my dark circles so good. All right, guys, so I'm gonna set it, and I'm gonna use, where is it? I'm gonna use my favorite powder. You guys already know what I'm gonna set it with. Where you at? Where you at? Right here. I'm gonna set with my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. Alright, guys, so this is how the concealer looks, and I am so happy. So happy. I'm just look at myself up close. I'm so happy in how the concealer looks. It looks amazing and applied amazing. I see no creases, like normal things that crease on my eyes. You guys know that I don't have the perfect under eyes, so it's obviously gonna crease, but it looks so good and it went on so good. And I actually did a pretty good job getting the right color. Y'all, my wig is about to fall out. All right, and I actually did a pretty good job choosing the color online, so good job, Marilenny. But yeah, it looks so good. I love it. I love the applicator. I love like everything. I love that in one, just one, like one application, I just get the whole eye. Absolutely love that. You guys know that I have this one, the NARS one, which was super expensive, and I have to literally dig in 15 times to do both eyes, and I don't like that. I like to just whoop, whoop, done, that's it, I'm done. But yeah, it looks so good. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back and tell you guys my thoughts. Okay, so this is the complete look. This is how my makeup turned out, and guys, this concealer is so good. I want you guys to see how it looks up close. I'm just gonna get it up close. Like that. But it's so worth. How much was it? I forgot how much it was. $8? Like, are you kidding me? $8? Guys, it's so good. It looks so good under my eyes. I don't have any complaints. It looks absolutely perfect. It literally, I have like no complaints. Like, it looks so good. I love finding affordable concealers and everything. You guys know that I'm a concealer junkie. I love concealers. I've tried so many concealers, high-end concealers, and to me, I don't see the reason why buy a high-end concealer if they all look the same to me. This one works just as good as my Urban Decay concealer, which is like $32, and this one from NARS that I said, it is also $30-something, which is crazy. And I just think this is such a steal. This is such a good concealer. I really do recommend it, guys. You guys should definitely go pick this up. And if you're wondering, I got shade C12. It is exactly my skin tone. I am gonna go out. I'm gonna go and get another shade. I'm gonna get one to like highlight my face. But this is so good. I am so happy. It looks phenomenal. I am obsessed with this concealer. I'm gonna use it every day. Like, it's mine. So yeah, I really do recommend this concealer to you guys. If you guys want to go purchase a concealer, I'm just in shock. Like, it was so good. It was so good. But thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to join the Pineapple Squad for future videos. And I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.